Imagine this, recreating a viral video using your own product image in just 5 minutes. No camera, no editing, no scripting. Just upload your product image and this AI tool does the rest. Ensure to watch to the very end because you might just want to buy me a coffee when you see what this AI tool can do. Are you excited already? So am I. Let's jump right into the video. As someone who loves blending tech and creativity, I'm always on the lookout for AI tools that you can employ to reduce your creative process. Now, the AI tool I'm about to review in this video is going to be most suitable for e-commerce businesses that do not have a lot of money to employ UGC creators, or for UGC creators who are looking for AI tools that is going to simplify your workflow. So in this video, we're going to find out what this tool is, how it works, and why I think it's going to really be an awesome choice for you as an e-commerce business or a UGC creator. You're welcome back to the channel. If you're returning, you're welcome. Do make sure to hit the like button again and even drop a comment so the algorithm can share this video with more people. And if you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Frederick. My wife and I run this channel where we create tech videos that are aimed at helping boost your productivity and profitability. So if you don't mind, you can hit the subscribe button down below so you can join our community of people who use their tech devices productively and profitably. The name of the AI tool is TopView AI, and it is a marketing video agent that turns your product images into viral content. Now, it does it in a really awesome way, and I'm going to actually show it right about now. Okay, now before we go into what it's capable of doing using the video agent right here, you can see that you can also create product avatar. All right, you can create avatar design, create avatar, create video and images. You can see here that it also has Banana Pro. Okay, that's Nano Banana Pro. Okay, and then other AI tools that it's capable of doing. All right, now I'm going to click on the video agent right here to show you what exactly I want to actually show you in this video. Now, there are two things you could do at this point. You can either look at this video references that they have down here. Okay, you can see different, if you open it, you can see the amount of views that this video reference has. This one has over 59 million views. Okay, and it's from Vietnam, have generated so amount of money and all of that. So you can copy any of this. Okay, so when you copy it, all you need to do is to tap on recreating agent. All right, now what I'm rather going to do is I'm going to go to TikTok. All right, maybe you should do this. In fact, you can do this by yourself. So go to TikTok, depending on the product that you want to generate a video for. All right, in my case is a perfume video. I actually generated this using Nano Banana. All right, it doesn't exist because I wouldn't want to give any product any free promotion. All right, I created this Amith scent, which is a perfume brand. Okay, and then I also generated 4 different images of this perfume brand, of this perfume. All right, and then I went to TikTok, searched for perfume UGC, and then I was able to find this particular video. Now, after downloading this video, the next thing I did was to come over to my video agent, as you can see right here, and I'm going to tap on add image or link, and I'm going to upload all of the images that I have of the product. Or if you have maybe your product page, your landing page, you can just drop it right here. Okay, but I don't have. Now, the next thing is the product description, which is optional. The AI can always get the thing done for you, but it's best that you actually give it your product description by yourself. All right, I'm just going to drop it right here, and the next thing I did was just to simply tap on apply. So after that, it's going to ask for the reference video, which shouldn't be above 1 minute 60 seconds and should be in MP4. All right, now I went on the reference video and selected the actual video that I had already downloaded, the reference video from TikTok. Okay, now it's also best that you actually get UGCs that are high performing. You need to check out the views, the comment on TikTok before having to try to reference them. All right, then the next thing I did was simply to tap on send, and now I'm going to wait for the magic to happen. All right, now let's look at the work that the AI was able to do. Remember, we said this is an agentic AI, which means that it is the type of AI that you just give a certain goal and it does all the things that is required to get that goal done with less or almost no human supervision. Now, what did it do? After we had given it our images, product description, and then the reference video, what it did, the first thing was summarizing the product information, okay, which was what we gave it. And then under here you can see product description. So this was the product description we gave it, and then this is also the product image that we gave the AI. Then the next thing was the video brief. Okay, now you've given me a video reference. Core information for the video was stated, the target audience, the key selling point, the technical specification, and everything. Now the next thing, I will now update the task plan. Now the video analysis results. Now we did the video storyboarding. Now as I'm doing this, you can imagine, for me as a video creator or a UGC creator, I can imagine the whole effort it's going to take me to actually start mapping out the video brief, the storyboarding, and all of that. So it did the storyboarding first, the video summary, shot 1, shot 2, shot 3, all the way to shot 8. If there was any mistake that maybe I needed shot 8 to be shot 7 or shot 6 to be whatever edit I needed to do at that point, I could have just done it, but I said no. Then I confirmed and it went on to the next step. And what's the next step was now to generate the video. This video was actually generated in less than 10 minutes. I just sat down and watched the AI do it work. Isn't this amazing? Isn't this amazing? If you want to try out Top View right now, I've already dropped the link on the description, so go on the description, hit the link, and then you can go on to create your own user generated content.
Tired of the same old styles? Step into the future. This isn't just eyewear, it's a statement. The unique shield design, the bold purple, it's a whole vibe. This is how you own your look. This is Ameth.
Tired of boring sneakers? Check these out. The Ameth beat. The future is here. This iridescent finish is insane, shifting colors with every move. And the integrated LEDs, they light up your every step. Step into the future. Get yours now.
How much does it cost to actually use Top View AI? Okay, now you can compare this with whichever other AI tool that you think can do the same, and you notice that to create an actual 15 seconds video, it costs me, I've even done 30 seconds video, it still costs me 5 credits. Okay, so for just $29 to get 80 credits per month. All right, so if you compare it with whichever other one that you try to use, then you could tell that this is actually quite more cheaper than the rest. Okay, what do you think about this tool, seeing the output or the result it gave me from just putting in my image and putting in my reference video? I would like to know on the comment down below. And if this video was helpful, do make sure to hit the like button again. And if you want to watch more videos on AI tools for different purposes, do make sure to subscribe down below and hit the bell button so you always be notified when I review any new AI tool. With this, thank you for watching, and again, if you have any question concerning this tool, and I've also left the link to this tool on the description down below, so check it out and let me know what you think on the comment. I'll be there to answer any query or any question that you have for me. With this, thank you for watching up to this point. My name is Frederick, and I'll catch you on the next one.